Alright, how's it going, Mud Warriors and YouTube crew? Having a good day. I've got the G3 Rhino Max stripped down. We're gonna go over some of these rust spots in the footwell area since a lot of rocks, sand, and debris hit the bars. We'll take a look at that in a sec. I'm just taping the one side up. Gave it a nice clean with some brake cleaner. And getting ready to paint it here, so let's take a look at it. Alright, as you can see, that's the area right there in question. Mainly, we got a couple spots up here, and underneath there's a good bit, there's a good bit of rust buildup. This is just a fine layer. We gave it a good cleaning, so we're going to give it a paint, but this is the before on it, and we'll give you an after. Alright, and a quick reminder, always sink your bolts back down in the holes. You definitely don't want those threads covered in paint. It can be quite the task to rethread every hole. Not hard, but it's definitely time wasting. So remember just to put them back in. You can always clean up the end of the bolt if you can't get it off. Alright, let's take a look. See, it just painted. It's a little bit tacky still, but no rust. That's looking way better. Underneath too, got it all cleaned up, looking nice, guys. Remember to keep your frames healthy, blast them out, blow them out with air, get all that sand and crap out, and paint them up. Keep them good, guys. Got one more thing to add, and you'll probably see this in this video. Alright, and we got the left side all looking pretty too. Yeah, looking a lot better than those little rust patches. Gonna go over with a second coat and then start putting stuff back on.